Before we proceed, please note that this video is edited by AI, but all the content is manually researched by our team and it's not AI generated. Ever come across the pesky PlayStation error code WS-43681-2? This nuisance tends to pop up when you're renting a movie, buying a game, or even in the middle of downloading a game. It's a widespread issue affecting a multitude of people. Take, for example, a recent forum post about this error. It garnered over 150 comments from users experiencing the same problem. Some gamers even reported being charged for a game purchase, only to be greeted by this error instead of their new game. This issue seems to be cropping up even when other PlayStations in the same household are working perfectly fine. All of these details point towards this error being a server-side issue, most likely due to an overload of traffic or some sort of server maintenance. So, what's the solution? Well, the first step is to check the PSN server status. If there's a server outage or maintenance happening, that's likely the culprit. Next, try giving your console and internet connection a good old-fashioned restart. In many cases, this can be enough to clear up any issues. However, if the error persists, it may simply be a case of waiting it out. Sometimes, when the servers are under high stress, all you can do is wait for them to stabilize. In summary, the PlayStation error code WS-43681-2 is a server-side issue mostly caused by high traffic or server maintenance. The best solutions are to check the PSN server status, restart your console and internet connection, and if all else fails, wait it out. If you like this information, don't forget to subscribe. It will be a great support. And for more tech updates, visit queries.com.